So we've got the connector back probed at our fuel pump. The wire, our hot wire going to the fuel pump, is a pink wire with a black tracer. Power probe is showing that positive, that red light there, and it's beeping. That's saying that we have a good power feed going to the fuel pump. Keep in mind that my vehicle is running right now, so I am doing a loaded circuit test on the fuel pump, and we have confirmation that we have a good power feed. Now let's go and test and see if we have a good ground. So we're doing our ground side voltage drop testing now. That same connector, instead of that pink and black wire back probed, we got the black wire back probed.